time going out tonight. I'm really excited because I don't know, ever since I became a mother, I've been trying to get back into the flow of things. Don't let people tell you that this is not normal, because it is. But I don't be feeling like wanting to go out sometimes or even just network with people. I have learned to ultimately be patient with myself because she's not even 10 months yet. She's 9 months, my baby girl. And I just have to know that I'm mommy bear now. So like, I don't like being away from her. Girl got invited to go out tonight, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to be in Hollywood. I don't know if it's West Hollywood or Hollywood, but it's somewhere around that area. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be installing the Cloud9 Sensational What Lace in Zaila. And I got the color Flamboyage Sand because I seen it on 2 fellow YouTubers and I thought the color was bomb. And you know I love my blondes, I love my streaks, I love my money pieces, I love the highlights, lowlights, all of that. So really liked how that looked. So this is the wig. Now this wig, from what I've seen in YouTube videos, no matter what color, was giving people a little bit of a hard time. So hopefully, like I said, your girl trying to go out, but it's a little early. So I'm getting ready at around like 8 o'clock. I don't know, she feels hella fake though. Like, I at least expected her to feel a little silky or something. Like, hopefully when I brush it out, I don't know if this is the little polish or whatever they put on it, but I don't like the way she feels off rip. Not being negative, I just don't like the way she feels. She just feels like fake hair, okay? Those lights, look at those highlights, baby. And look at this, like, it just looks so natural. It wasn't, I like that they didn't do a harsh black up here. Cool. So like I said, we're not gonna do too much with this tutorial. We're gonna make it pretty quick. So yeah, I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all, so I have plucked this unit on the sides. I barely touched the front, but again, I don't like the straight across hairline look. It just gives me anxiety. So I just plucked the sides just to give it a little more dimension and make it look natural. And as you can see, I just left every other space. You know what I'm saying? So even when I want to do a little quick cute hair toss to the back, you know, I'm going out to the club. You know, we have fun. So at the end of the day, I like to toss my hair. And I do not like for it to just look really jagged, even though in the club you can't see anything, child, but whatever. After my night out on the town. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. If you could find any time to say how dedicated I am, now is the time. I am really trying to focus on getting through telling you guys about this hair. So this is Zaila, and she's giving me every bit of body yaddy. Like I said earlier, doing this wig wasn't too much of a hassle for me. She does tangle pretty bad at first. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like the tangles were getting a little frustrating, but again, they're not once she's a paddle brusher, let's put it this way. She's a wig that you just need a paddle brush for. As far as shedding, she does shed, I'd say minimum to medium shedding. I really didn't have no shedding issues when I left. I'm feeling her mainly because the color is so beautiful. And don't get me wrong, it's not that the hair is bad, it's just that at first it felt like a Halloween costume wig. Since I brushed it out and worn it and actually been in the wig for some hours, that feeling actually went away. So now she feels a little bit more silky / yucky. So this is supposed to be the HD lace. Talking about keep them guessing. See me, hey girl. The density is perfect. Yeah, I really didn't have any issues with the lace. The lace blended beautifully, as you guys can see. I wanted to come here and show you guys. She wasn't too hard to install, considering the fact that I even had to rush to get out of here to make it on time to where I had to be. She is a 13x6 ear to ear. However, the ear tabs did not stretch all the way to where my ear cuts off at. So I did have to kind of, finesse it. And then, if that always happened to you, simply pull you out some hair and then create. That's where I find myself having to create an edge baby hair to keep the wig fully laid, only because the ear to ear, it really wasn't ear to ear on me personally. So I did notice that, but just simply pull out some hair and then create you some baby hair so that you can have a little bit more security. Because I don't like the fact of having no hair right there. Like, I like my wigs to be completely laid down. It doesn't have to be melted or glued or nothing like that, or bold hold or nothing like that, but I like it to be melted. I love how she just falls into the curl and it's beautiful. So I went in and plucked very few strands in the front. I definitely doctored the sides because they were just a little bit too straight on and it wasn't enough dimension for me. So all in all, she's a pretty unit. I'm feeling her. I'm gonna see how she wears. This is the unit that I actually want to do a review on. I'm not gonna lie, because I love the color so much. I want to see how she holds. I want to see how she wears. I want to see how long I can get out of her. What's the longevity to you, boo? So I'm just gonna quickly turn around, guys, and show you guys the back. I don't think I can hang into this video any longer because I'm just that tipsy. Like, I really am, and I don't even know what to do about it. So yeah, but let's turn around so I can show y'all. And so this is the back. Like I said, it's a very nice density, not too helmet up here or full. It feels really, really pretty. The tangles, it just doesn't stay in the style long enough for me. The curls like break apart and just be doing their own little thing. They fall back in place when you put them back in place, but it's like you have to tame her every couple of minutes, and that can get very annoying because don't nobody got time for that. We like a lot of wear and go in our lifetime. You have to tame this unit a lot, and I just feel like sometimes that could just be a little more overbearing, a little more overwhelming that you may choose to want to put up with. So that's what I would say before purchasing the Zaila unit. But thank you guys for coming back to my channel. As always, I love you. Thank you for watching your girl, and I will be back with more videos. Mom, yeah.